Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few good recipes that I'm cooking, some of my favorite things. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna pick up the camera and I'm gonna video it because I'm making my favorite salad. There's a restaurant here in town that when I go to it, it is what I order every time. I crave it all the time. It's a blackened salmon salad. So I'm gonna show you how I make that. And then later tonight, I think we're gonna do maybe smash burgers on the grill and corn. And then Luke has baseball practice tonight and we're gonna go see the new Garfield movie downtown. It will be Walker's first time to go to a movie. So we'll see how he does. Excuse the kids, they're eating their lunch and watching a show, so it must be really entertaining. But anyways, I'm gonna hop right in and show you how I'm making it. So first, I just blackened some salmon. I used, let me show you. I should have showed you earlier my portions, but obviously I already made my salmon. So I just used a good amount of Kinder's The Blend, not quite as much as I used of this, of the Zatarain's blackened seasoning, and then a good amount of paprika so it gets that nice blackened color that we're looking for. And then I just patted off the fillets because they're pretty watery. And then I put avocado oil on it, and then I put my seasoning all over, and then pan seared it. And here we are. And I'm gonna cut up some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna dice up half of a cucumber. I've already got my spinach. A lot of times I like to use like spring lettuce, but this is what I have today, and I do love spinach. And then I made a ranch dip with a ranch packet, sour cream, and mayo, and a little bit of milk. Stirred it together. I just like the thicker consistency than like what Hidden Valley would give you. And then I have some feta. Now at the restaurant, it comes with chopped up red onion. And I do love chopped up red onion, but a lot of times I just don't end up putting it in my salad because I just don't like to taste onion all day, even though I love it. So that's a good option to put in, but I'm not putting it in today. Well, now basically you can't see the salmon because I've covered it in all the goodies. And what I like to do with my salads, which makes them super ugly, but it makes them taste better, is massage them. And so like I get both hands in and massage them, and so that breaks up the salmon. I've heard that doing that is better for your digestion because massaging the leaves, the spinach or whatever lettuce that you choose, your body digests it better if you massage it. So anyways, that's what I like to do. That way everything's really evenly incorporated, the dressings all in every bite. So that's what I do. So now, I don't know, I was gonna say it doesn't look quite as appetizing, but hey, it still looks good to me. And now every bite is going to be delicious. Well, that's a giant bite, but here we go. Tastes just like the restaurant that I go to, but way cheaper. So good and great for summer.
Freeze the stove later, just take the balls, freeze them, and then once they're frozen, pop them into a freezer bag.
Well, I put the kids down, Walker and Ryan, for a nap over an hour ago, folded all my laundry, put it away, and the last couple of days they've been having the hardest time falling asleep. Ryan hasn't fallen asleep, and it's taken Walker like an hour and a half to fall asleep for a nap. So I told Ryan, if you're not gonna take a nap, then you don't get to have fun, you don't get to go to the movie or go to baseball tonight. So I am the type of mother, if I say it, I stick to it. So hopefully we go to the movie tonight, but if he's not gonna nap, it ain't happening. So we will see, but whatever, whether they sleep or not, I got my chores done. I reset after lunch. Like I said, I did laundry, and now I'm going to get on the treadmill and do my workout. Yeah, whether they sleep or not, because mama needs it. workout is over, but now it's like 4:30 and Luke has baseball practice at 5:30. So not sure we're gonna have time for smash burgers. But if not today, I want to make them tomorrow because we love smash burgers and they are really quick and easy and delicious. But Ryan and Walker are still napping. So, and I still have to shower. So I don't foresee it happening, but we will see. But thankfully, Ryan did fall asleep eventually and Walker fell asleep eventually. So we do get to go to the movie tonight. So that is fun, and go to baseball and all that. So time for a shower. I've got a real quick plug that I'm not being paid to talk about, but I'm an ambassador for Marco Polo. They sent me this shirt and some stickers, but yeah, not paid. I just get a free shirt. And they didn't even ask me to talk about it, but I'm going to talk about it. I've been using Marco Polo, which is an app since before Luke was born, but I was probably pregnant with him. So 7+ years. And it has been the best app for me keeping in touch with friends and with family and just hanging out like with your friends and like hanging out with adults during the day. The team at Marco Polo really like highlighted mental health awareness for mothers. It's just constant. We're just constantly surrounded by noise and children, and you know what? Even if your friends can't physically be at your house, Marco Polo has been so nice to feel like my friends are here. I've got a couple friends from back home that I literally talk to every single day. I talk to my sister every day on here, and it's been so good for my mental health to just feel like I'm talking, not feel like I'm talking, to talk to an adult throughout the day. And even though I love being surrounded by my children, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just need to talk to a grown-up. And so anyways, they did give me a discount code. I make nothing off of it, and I'll put it in the link down below. And what it will do is give you Marco Polo Plus for free for 2 months. And I actually, before they gave me the link, I just used the regular Marco Polo. It's totally free, so I didn't personally pay for it. But now that I have Plus, I do love it. And they're coming out with, which I get to use this version, which is exciting. They use AI to, like if you are out in public and you can't listen to your friend, but you still want to check your Marco, they will do closed captioning and write the text below what they say, which is not perfect. It's not always correct, but it is a really cool feature that they are working on and testing out right now. Anyways, I love the app. In my opinion, it's better than FaceTiming, or it's a very good alternative for FaceTiming. Because sometimes it's like you want to FaceTime someone, but you're like, oh, are they busy? But for this, it really doesn't matter. Like, they'll check it when they're not busy. So anyways, link down below, click it, download the app, and get 2 months for free. You don't have to put in a debit card, credit card, or anything. It's just when it runs out of 2 months, you go back to regular. So there's no risk involved. So enjoy. Okay, so excuse the movie in the background. I had to put something on for them to be stimulated so that I can cook. So basically, I've got my corn shucked. Now I'm gonna make the butter mixture to smear all over the corn before I put it on the grill. So I'm gonna take like half a stick of butter and put it in a small bowl. And I'm very torn because I know what I want on my corn, but kids are a little bit sensitive to spices. I don't know. If you haven't tried Kinder's Prime Steak Seasoning, Ryan, don't do that, please. It's prime steak with black garlic and truffle. It's literally good on anything. You can put it on popcorn and it'd be delicious. The blend is a good option, but honestly it's just salt, pepper, and garlic. But even for kids, it's a little spicy because the pepper's a smidge heavy, but I love it. So I might put a smidge of this one, the prime steak with the truffle, just a little bit of this and then just good old salt and pepper because kids have sensitive palates. But I encourage you to add all the goodness to it. And then basically, I'm not afraid to get messy. Putting the butter on my hand. Getting a piece of corn. Clean hands, obviously. And then just smear it all over. And that is going to be so good on the grill. I guess one way to do it would be to melt it and then get like one of those brushes, like a cooking, would you call it a basting brush? I don't know. And then do that. But this is so much faster, and we are all about convenience. Our movie starts in 1 hour. I've got to cook this, we've got to eat, and then we got to get there. So I'm not worried about what looks the best or whatever. I'm worried about getting the job done, and it's gonna be great. All right, corn's ready for the grill. Now we're gonna start on the burgers. Okay, before I form these patties, because smash burgers are literally the fastest thing to make. The fastest thing to make, so I need to get my grill going. And for a smash burger, you want a hot grill, because then it'll make that really good crust on there and it all cooks together really fast. I'm cooking on our Blackstone, and it's really the only way to make a smash burger. Keith took my propane tank. I totally forgot. Keith took the propane tank to switch it out at the cabin in case the cabin one was low. So I've never installed a propane tank, but I think it's easy. Okay, so I buy like a big package of beef. It's like 2.25 pounds. And I typically like half it, and I'll do like half for smash burgers and the other half I'll save for tacos. So basically I'm just gonna half it. And I can't remember if this makes like 5 smash burgers, but you want to like not mold it as much as possible. So basically I just like tore it off, and I'm just gonna slightly fold it into a ball. And it's, like, this is the best dinner. It's so easy and so fast. So just like take it right off, half it, and then just slightly make it into a ball. And I don't even season this, so when it's on the grill I do salt and pepper, but like this, I'm just forming the patty. So I put this side on low. Actually, I might crank it up a smidge, like to medium low. This is where I'm gonna put my corn because it doesn't need to be on high. And so first, put my corn on. And let it get started, because once you put the smash burgers on, it is go, go, go. And these are gonna need longer than the smash burgers need. I got my little helpers right there that wanna be with mommy, but Walker would get all in this, so it's a little dangerous for him. All right, now I'll go inside and get the smash burgers. perfect time. And look, you just got here and I just took the last thing off of the grill. You excited to eat?
Yeah, but I wanted to take one of those and make popcorn.
Well, we're gonna have popcorn at the movie. Hey, how was practice?
You're not gonna make this.
Good.
No.
Good.
Not ever.
Did you hit hard?
Mommy. I did hit,
Yeah.
but my little legs couldn't stand it.
Oh, your little leg. We're in a super big hurry, like literally need to devour our food and leave. But how is it? Good. Smash burgers are the best and so fast and easy. So gotta eat and then we gotta go. We hustled and we're in the car and it starts in 4 minutes. Luckily we live really close to town, but we might be like,
Yep, because we are.
yeah, because we are. Oh yeah. We might be like a minute or two late, but
And
maybe that'll just be commercials. And what?
And we're going to see the Garfield movie.
Garfield, and this is
Garfield.
This is Walker's first movie.
Not Garfield.
It is Garfield.
Not Walker's first movie.
It's his first movie in a theater.
Yeah.
Yeah. The movie's still going, but we're not in it because this one, it just wasn't as stimulating of a movie. So we might go to the park or something. Despicable Me 4 comes out soon, and I think he'll do great with that. But Garfield, just not that it was a bad movie at all. It just didn't capture his attention. So we're gonna let everyone else enjoy the movie, and we're gonna go to the park, which is just down the street, and play until the movie's over. Or close to over. We might go at the end. Well, it's getting dark. Don't know if we should try to head back and try it again or give it a few more minutes. We're walking back towards the movie and we hear a kitty.